for that. For the moment, we will continue with our corporate analysis, and joining us now is the government-owned logistics company Barmer Lorry. Their logistics and packaging business has stood out in the first quarter, but travel business has been hit. Prabal Basu, the chairman and managing director of Barmer Lorry, joins us now. Good morning, Mr. Basu. Thank you very much indeed for joining us. Well, obviously, revenue took a hit in the first quarter, but I mean, you managed with a very, very narrow cut in EBITDA, just about 2%. What have the weeks since July 1st looked like? The 8 weeks, have they seen a remarkable recovery over the previous quarter?
I would not say remarkable recovery, but we are seeing green shoots of recovery, and definitely things are improving. But as you have rightly pointed out in the beginning, the major concern for the current year seems to be travel and vacations. Actually, the travel operations, as you are all aware, the airlines are all closed. The international airlines are not likely to reopen probably before now. Payments are very bad. So naturally, we are taking a big hit in that. You will see from the quarter results. That continues. As regards logistics, definitely we are seeing some improvement. Definite improvements are there. But since the automobile sector is badly hit, our grease and lubricants business is going through a rough phase. Overall, I would say definitely improvements are taking, but unless the economy improves a bit more, I don't think it's a remarkable recovery, but definitely there are signs of recovery, and we are trying our best to, as you have rightly said, in the first quarter also, we tried our best to keep the adverse situation to the minimum possible. And going forward, we hope that we will be able to recover more.
Mr. Basu, can you just put some numbers to that? I mean, you said that there is a recovery, but what has the volume growth been exactly in this quarter in your logistic verticals?
Yeah, in the logistics vertical, in fact, in the second quarter, I envisage it will be more or less at par with the last year figure. Last year, whatever we achieved in the second quarter, it should be slightly better even from the last year level. So that's what we are looking at this moment.
Okay, but actually you are largely a logistics company, right? What is the contribution of the non-logistics business?
No. Actually, very honestly, we are a very, very highly diversified company. It has 6 verticals, 3 in the manufacturing sector and 3 in the services sector. In the manufacturing sector, main activity is industrial packaging, which has a turnover of around 600 crores, it contributes around 33% of the total turnover of the company. So it's a big activity. Logistics definitely the highest profit earner, but as far as activity level concerned, it's a much bigger activity.
Did packaging do in the first quarter, and how is it likely to do in the second quarter, packaging?
The packaging industry, in fact, this year the basic challenge is that we lost 2 months, the first 2 months. So first quarter has been really bad. Packaging industry in the first quarter is supposed to be the best quarter. So we have been badly hit in some aspect, but we expect that this year again, we will be able to churn out a good performance in packaging sector. So I don't see a major dip in the area of industrial packaging. Because this is a 10-month year, so there will be some dip in the revenues, but I don't see a significant dip.
Okay, that means you will hit 1,500 crore, or you will be much lower than that? I mean, would you reach 90% of 1,500 crore? That was your revenue last year.
Yeah, we expect to hit definitely 90% of last year.
Okay. Any further capex that you plan to undertake in any of the verticals in FY21 and FY22? And if yes, what would the amount be?
Not a very big capex, but we are setting up a new temperature control warehouse in the eastern region near Bhubaneswar. This will get commissioned in the current year. It has a capex of around 23 crores. Apart from that, normal capex are there, which should be around another 15-20 crores. And next year also, we envisage that we will be setting up a facility of industrial packaging facility. There is a facility only there in Chittoor that will be probably revamped and modernized into a bigger facility. So that will take another something like 40 crores in the next year. So these are the 2 major capex in these 2 years.
All right, we'll leave it at that. Prabal Basu, thank you very much indeed for joining us with a business update. We have to quickly shift focus to the commodity markets to get the trades at 10. Manisha, tell us.